Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 15 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish adding the materials, and then we also added some trees and then some grass. Now we're going to continue working on this, and then we're going to finalize an image first. So here, let's go to media and then click on image. And then from here, we want to set first that our image is good to go. I'm going to lower the exposure a bit because I find it that it's too shiny. So now that I'm satisfied, I'm going to lower the ambient and then the light intensity. Once you're happy, you need to save it first. And then once you save it, you can start creating a media image. So click media and then let's start creating image first. So I'm gonna create an image on this one. It looks dark. I'm gonna zoom in so that it will be viewed on all. So I'm gonna angle it like this. And then if you remember, we already turned on parallelism. So here, I'm setting it up. I'm gonna press number 2 on my speed just to have that nice angle, and then number 3 again. So I'm gonna angle it like that. And then here, what I can do is I'm gonna lower this a bit, because one of the purpose of me having this is to show this showcase. So I'm gonna zoom it like that. And then click image again. And then here I'm gonna refresh. Click modify. I want to check parallelism. I want to check the media. I want 4K with this, so that when I print, the format will be 4K. And then now, what I usually do is I turn this on. So this is the path tracer. What I usually do is put this one to low first. So let it render. And then from here, I adjust my exposure, sun intensity, usually around 2 I put. The ambient, I increase that for sure. So for the white balance, I drop it a little bit, around 500 is good. Lower the exposure a bit. And then we need to go back and forth with the camera. And then here we have contrast and then saturation. So the taste is up to you now, but I'm showing that the contrast, I kind of put it in 44, and then saturation is 41. This is very important. Go back to lighting and change it a bit. Ambient, I want to showcase the detail. So that's why I need to keep on changing those, and then make sure to refresh. Select this one. I'm gonna select the metal. I want to lower the reflection. I don't want it too shiny. That's why I decrease that. Now go back to image, check, and then let's see it on a high rendering. So this one will take time. So this is the look when we have it in high. So now what I want to do is I'm going to remove that and then move this one in the center to change the angle. So maybe around here, and then create an image again, and then move it right here again to change the angle. And then one thing that we forgot to add is light. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to save this. Go back to Revit. So here I'm going to provide you guys some blocks that I created. So we have a spotlight face base circle. I'm going to provide this one in the second link of part 1. And then here I usually put it first on top of this. And then you guys can just follow along. So any face, it will be added. So I'm gonna add it on all of this. I'm going to add it right here as well, so I don't forget. And there. So once we add that, it will clearly give a better picture, a nicer picture as well. So here, go to ceiling, first floor. If you don't see it, it won't appear there. Ground floor. And then we should just go to view, plan view, reflected ceiling, roof, and second floor. You can just put second floor. So it's not showing. So what we could do is we could just go to first floor. Let's see if it's showing. It's not showing. Second floor. It's not showing as well. So it's actually right here. First floor ceiling, it's very small, so that's why I couldn't find it. I want to see where the door is so that I could so let me add that. Add multiple. I'm just going to add it all around. I think I added too much here, so I'm gonna delete it afterwards. Just using some spacing. So here we don't need. So I'm gonna delete every other. Only here I'm going to add those. And then after that, let's go to second floor. And I remember I added here. So let's go back to 3D and see. It's showing. Let's change the transparency. Or the view range. Unlimited. Apply. And as you can see, it will appear. We just need to add it. I'm going to copy this. Put it here in front of the window. And then around here. What I can do is select this one and then copy. Just going to copy this and add it right about here. And add this one in the windows. Let's look at it in 3D. It looks too much. I'm gonna delete this ones. This one I'm going to move. And I think that's good enough. You can use AL to align them all together. So that's good. Go back to 3D, save, and then see in Twinmotion again. Now we need to quit again. Change your speed to number 4. Press escape. And then we need to zoom in right here. We need to select that. This one should be changing reflection. Turn on. And then now you need to go here, go back to materials, and then look for neon. And then this neon should be right there. Change this to around 10 so that it doesn't reflect too much glow. Press escape, and then now here change your speed to number 2 or number 3. We need to add light. So this is another tedious part, but we need to do it. So I need to add spotlight. Put it up like that. Make sure this is right in the spotlight. You will need to change the color a bit. And then this one you need to put it in 3. And then now you will need to keep on adding to the location. So most of the time you just need to angle yourself. And then this one can help because if you click this, it will be in the same line as well. And then the good thing about copying as an instance is if you change one, it will change on all. Oops, cancel this. Hold on shift and grab it from the corner here. And then now we just need to keep on adding it. Oh, sorry. So cancel this. And then let's go back here. And then click here. And then do it again. That's perfect. Now we need to do it right about here. So we're gonna add the same thing. Change this one. Make it to 3. Select this again. Pull it up so that it's in the right elevation. And just add it. and then you added the last one. Change your speed to number 4, and then once you go back to media and see, select that one, and then change you can see the difference with and without. This one as well, you can select that one, and then you can see the difference. So now go back to media, and then let's create. So let's quit first. So once you quit, you'll be able to change the exposure again because it looks like it's dark. So this one is good. So now let's create some scene. So go back to media, video, and then we need to create our first scene, which is going front. Click that one, and then move it to your action. So my action is going forward. So I want to go forward. But I want to redo that because my angle is crooked. So I'm gonna redo that by selecting this refresh, go forward, and then selecting create keyframe. You can change the amount of seconds right here, and then now once you go, it will look like that. If you want it to be faster, change the speed. So that one's good. My next is around here. So I'm gonna create a new part. So I always review what I did so that you can see any changes that you want to do. Now I'm going to create another one, but doing this. We're gonna change this to 8, and then the other one to 8 as well. And then let's add in some still picture. So here I'm gonna put 4. Then another one, 4 seconds. create another one, just going out like that. Let's do this one 6 seconds. I want to do something like this. I want to refresh that. Going across. And then let's put this one at 6 again. Another one going up here. Around 5 seconds. And then going out like this. Another 6 seconds. So let's review what we did. Okay, that's good. So usually I rename this as show real, and then I duplicate again, and then I rename this one as shorts, and then after that I change the width and height, so custom, and always in short you will need to review everything. So because here, as you can see, it's so far. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from here and then just move it closer. This one's good. This one is out of frame. So I'm going to redo this. So let's see. That's not bad. This one, we need to go back and then just change it. Again, next, I want to showcase the angle here. This one I'm gonna move it forward. So by just doing refresh, you'll be able to redo all the things that you've done. And then there we have it. Make sure to save it again. And then you just need to go to export, select all or individual. You can even select one of this, and you're good to go. And then just click on start export. So thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.